Okay, got an odd one here today. Got a patio door that won't open at all. And a couple things going on here, possibly. Could just be the handle broken. And it seems like it is, and that it doesn't shut at all. It also could just be latched on the, possibly latched on the deal. Now it looks like the handle's working, so it's not the handle. It also seems that the door will not open at all. We've got something funny going on. Looks like it came off the track. Or maybe just on the back wheel. Yeah, that's what it seems like. So, lift it up and out, take a look at the bottom wheel. See if we can lift it up and out. No. And it could just need adjustment if the wheel's there. So let's see. Let's see the wheel. It's way over here. So open this further. On the way. Let's see if we can pull this down and see what's going on. Let's see what happened to our wheel. Set this puppy down. Take a look. Oh, it's right there. Probably could have just adjusted it. But it looks like it was installed in such a way that makes it real tricky. What this has is these pivot adjustment screws, and the thing is, you gotta go in right here, and if that's just off, then you're gonna have a hard time to be able to adjust it. So let's adjust it most of the way before putting it back on. Wow, it's in upside down. I think somebody did something weird. Let's take a look here. Yeah. The wheel is in upside down. Somebody put the wheel in upside. Oh man, that's funny. Okay. So, anyway, I'm gonna re-straighten this out so that it can be bent in the correct way. And I wonder if I think the other wheel is not in upside down. But anyway, with this, what it's got is this little keyed entry, but for this back wheel, because it doesn't have a slot to hold it in, you could leave it here on the end, and it would stick out from the back. I guess that's not a problem, really. Just like that. That works. And then you can adjust the pivot from here with this screw. The other way I've done it is insert it in the groove and then bend it up. That's how I normally do them. Because I've got this security pin that goes on the back. Now a lot of these we've taken the security pin out and gone with security bars instead. I'll show you how I normally do these. Is to insert this one here, if it'll line up. I'm going to bend it back a little bit more. And insert it in here. But this one, for research and everything else, I'm going to try it going straight in instead. Make sure this will work out good for me in the future. Since I'm eliminating those other deals, this could work out nice for me. It doesn't stick out at all. It's nice and flush with the end, so that works good. On this end, you can see it's keyed here, right here, and it sits up much further. I'm going to pop this one out and adjust the wheel a little bit more also. Just it seemed I had plenty of play. Problem back in the track. Sometimes pull this out. Maybe not. One's in there. My problem is I can't reach far enough in there with this particular tool. Try to re-bend this back a little bit. There we go. There we go. Oh, that was a tough one. Alright, so I'm going to pre-adjust this a bit so the wheel sits further down. That should do good. There we go. All right. Looks like they'll do it. Let's see. A little tricky one. Everything in on that side, it's good. This side, oh boy. This side, that wheel's right there. There you go. Okay. There it is. Now this panel's really loose. Hopefully add some screws there. Tighten this one. Okay, and this one, the pivot needs to be adjusted. We've also got a lot of debris there. So I'll clear all that out. The unit's getting clean, so I don't need to get it perfect, just enough for it to work. And now we need to adjust the pivot on that back screw so that it'll pitch the top more. So the way I do that on this one is lift it up and get it off the track. And you can see our little foot sitting out there. This should be good. You can probably even see the screw, set screw right there. Oops. A little easier to take it off the pressure by setting it on the side, and then just use my hand to hold it over. Now I can tighten that set screw real easy. And let's see how we fare. A little more off the ground. See how our pivot is. Nice. Okay, our pivot's good, but it looks like our track deal is a little in there. So what we need is pull this out. Probably put a spacer behind it so that sits out a little more. Protect this. The other thing is we can take this one, move this over as much as possible. That looks like that. There we go. Nice. And I'll see if we can tighten this one up all the way, or do we need that spacer or else we need that. Okay, get it nice and tight. Here we go. Oh, nice and latched. But I think it would be better with a little bit of a spacer. So, let's pull this out. I'll insert something back there. Got a screw that's too small for anything else that I need. Plastic. And just wrap this up. I'll put that behind there. There we go. See it? Much better. There we go. All right, now I'll just add some other screws down here to reinforce this deal better, how it should be. Tighten this one down. Actually pretty tight. All right, and it's a done deal. Just add those couple screws, and we'll be all set. All right. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over now. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.